Check it out, guys. We've got the Tirox 360 chain brush right here. This makes cleaning your chain super easy. I usually do this when I'm washing my bike, and with this, it just wraps around the chain and it's gonna clean any chain ranging from a 420 all the way up to a 530. It's safe on O-rings, so it works on both types of chains, and it's simple to do. So let me show you how. All you do is spread this apart. You're actually gonna wrap it around your chain. So we've got that wrapped around. If you want a tighter fit on those bristles, you can simply stretch it further. So some of the smaller chains, that's what you do. And then you hold this. They recommend spraying a cleaner on there first. That's up to you if you want to do it or not. But then you're just going to hold this and rotate your wheel. You can even turn it the other way if you want to get the ultimate clean. And I'm just going to wind it back off of there. And from there, we're just going to spray on some chain lube. So that's the Tirox 360 chain brush. It makes your chain maintenance super easy to do, and it's important to do even if you have an O-ring chain. That way you don't get links that are kinking up, and that's gonna help you get the best life out of your chain. So if you need one of these, pick one up on our website, and if you have any questions, leave those down in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.